So good afternoon to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Sterlite Technologies. We'll discuss about the share technicals. So we know that the share today has given a very good move, almost around 15% up move was seen. So we'll try to find out why the up move was given. So you can see from the thumbnail itself, because of the speech which was given by Mr. Narendra Modi ji on Saturday, that to connect the villages with high speed internet connection. So not only Sterlite Technologies but also the companies which were related to cable sector have shown a very good move. And people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel to not miss any updates. So I made a video on this particular stock when it was around 120 rupees, and I've also discussed the complete fundamentals of the company, and it was almost 3 weeks back. I've also discussed the quarter results, and also I've discussed the future prospects, and also I've analyzed the balance sheet, mainly how much amount of debt is present and what are the long-term goals of the company. So that is also very important. If you are investing in any particular company, you need to even see the background of the particular company, mainly the balance sheet. So do watch those videos so that you will have an idea. Okay. So we can see that almost all the cable stocks, not only Sterlite Tech but also Finolex Cables, Polycab India, ITI, surged almost 11%. That is on today. We can see almost these stocks have surged more than 11%. So Sterlite Tech almost it has touched the 15% up move. So we know that Mr. Narendra Modi ji wants to connect each and every village with high speed internet connection through optical fiber. So that is what is the target. Within how many days? Within 1000 days they want to achieve this particular goal. So we know that internet connection availability is very important. As we are living in cities, we are having a very good internet connection, but when we see the condition of villages, they are not having that particular sort of what we can say involvement in internet. That's why even this particular thought is very important, and I think this is a very good move taken by Mr. Narendra Modi ji. So in definitely in upcoming sessions as well, these particular stocks will play a very crucial role and also will show a very good improvement on their balance sheets. So that was the main reason why these particular stocks have shown very good movement. Okay, if we see the current market price of Sterlite Tech, it is almost around 149.35. Almost it has given a movement of 15%. So if you see the market cap, it is almost touching 6,000 crores. And when you see the dividend also is given by the company, which is almost around 2.34%. So we can say a very decent dividend is also given. Okay, next when we see the industry PE, we can see it is around 11.60, and if you see the current PE is around 18.75. We can say slightly we can say presented a little overpriced, but definitely the quality of the stock is very good. Okay, so taking these type of stocks for long term and checking the P, okay, it's a matter, but the quality is very good. And definitely the future, even when we discussed about Jio and Tech Mahindra to launch the 5G, even Sterlite Tech is also in collaboration with these two companies. So in all ways this company is getting benefits. So that's why I discussed this particular stock when it was in 120 level, and I told that definitely from that level you need to add. Okay, when we see the 1 day chart, you can see currently it's around 150.40, and you can see it has given a gap up opening because this announcement was given on Saturday. So if you want the entire fundamental analysis, then you can watch the video which is present in my video section so that you will have an idea. So today I'm mainly focusing on levels because fundamental part is already covered. So in next levels are what that we need to focus. So you can see the next immediate resistance for the particular company is around 151. So if that particular resistance is given, if it breaks that resistance, then definitely the 160 level should be achieved very easily. So we know that if you see the money flow index also, it has not reached the overbought region. So definitely we can say that a further move is possible. So when we discussed about this particular stock, we focused around this particular level, that was the 50 EMA, which I discussed that 120 level would be very important. So people who have added, definitely mention in the comment section, and people who are willing to buy this particular stock can wait for the breakout of 151, 152. Then definitely you can enter in small quantities. So company wise, fundamentally wise, it's very good stock, but you need to have patience. So that is the most important thing. If you're not having any patience, then you might get confused and you may exit. So that is what happens with most of the people. So they enter at high levels and they get into panic situation, and again they start selling. So nothing is there in that, just for brokerage only your amount goes. So that's what happens with most of the people. So my suggestion is that hold in small quantities and add on each and every dip. So whenever any fall is present in especially these type of stocks, then you need to add in small quantities, so that overall in a long term point of view you will be having a good quantity for we can say future, and profit also will be increasing. So if you see on 1 week chart, it's the same thing. You can see continuously it has given a very good rally, and it has faced a resistance near what is that 160 rupees level. So from there a small correction was seen, and almost it has corrected till 120 rupees. So now again it's trying to reach that particular zone, that is 160 rupees level. So it will be very crucial. So once that particular level, if it breaks, then definitely the next immediate targets would be 175 plus. So watch that levels, and people who are holding at 120, then definitely you should hold and don't do any selling. So when we discussed about quarter results, we know that quarter results were not that great for the company, but we see the future prospect, then it is a profit making company. For short term, definitely all the companies are reporting losses due to COVID pandemic, but later when everything is fine, then definitely these companies only will report profits, not the pharma companies or any other sectors. So these type of companies only will emerge. So think in that sort of view, and think for long term horizon. And if we see the money flow index in this has still not reached the overbought region, so still further movement is there, definitely, and patiently hold this particular stock. So in previous videos also we have discussed about Vikas Multicorp, KEC International, so do watch them. So all of them have given very good move. So one thing is that have patience and keep investing. So that is what I wanted to say. So each and every dip is like an opportunity for you, rather than don't feel sad that we are getting losses. So change that sort of mindset. Okay. So next video we'll discuss about another interesting share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.